Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is Witch Casket. I haven't unboxed this for a couple of months just because, I don't know, I just haven't. I've just had it and enjoyed it myself, but I thought I would unbox one for you now. It's £29 a month. This is my last one for a while. I have cancelled all of my subscriptions just because we are moving house and trying to save money. So this will be the last one. But yeah, it is a witch subscription box. So you get things for spells and all different things in it. And this one, it says potions. And you get home decor and stuff and prints. So this is your little book. I apologise about the state of me. Cut my own hair, dyed my own hair. And I've just had a shower and it's just natural. So we're just going to pretend that I don't look like a trampoline and I'm not just wearing a bra because it's 400 degrees today. So we're just going to pretend that's not happening and not be judgy. It says, hello, our beautiful Witch Casket family. Here's your July Witch Casket and this month is all about potions. We love brewing potions and we hope that this casket and its contents will encourage you to embrace the ancient tradition which you probably already practice more often than you think. Please read the pamphlet so you can familiarise yourself with all the contents. And then it just goes on to say how thankful they are and they want you to hashtag everything so that they can see your posts because they do comment and they do really appreciate it when people interact. This is paid for by me. It's not pop PR. I wish it was PR because I could get it, but it's not. So this will be my last one. Yeah, let's have a look. So I've got a print, which is very pretty. I think this will be a Witch Casket exclusive because they usually are. Shelves of Magic Art, a Witch Casket exclusive print. A busy witch's magical space. This bewitching art print was lovingly created by in-house designers especially for you. That's lovely. I've got a book and it says Witch Casket Magical Book of Potions. And then it's got, so we've got an anointing potion, prosperity, third eye, healing, bath, self-love, emotional healing bath potion, gratitude bath potion, witch's brews, heart healing witch's brew, confidence witch's brew, protection witch's brew, floor washers, negativity banishing floor wash, happy home floor wash, good fortune floor wash, hand washes, healing hands, loving hands, and divination hand wash. That's really cute. What have we got in here? This is an empowerment potion kit. See what it says about that. Witch Casket exclusive. The magical envelope holds everything you need to brew a magical empowering potion. Marshmallow root, yarrow, mugwort, and then instructions. We've got a pin. Oh, I love that. It's kind of got like a Slytherin-esque-ness to it. With obviously Snape and then green. Obviously it's not anything to do with Hogwarts, but that's kind of what the vibes it's giving me. That's really pretty. Chippy, what are you doing? You found some packing material, have you? There's a kitten down there. We have the scroll, which every month just gives me anxiety because I worry I'm going to rip it. I didn't last month of having it and I didn't rip it. It's potion making and it's just like instructions about potion making. You can put this in your book of spells or you could frame it or you can remember it and get rid of whatever you want, but it's gives you some information about potion making. We've got a potions funnel, a little funnel there, so you can put potions in little jars. We've got some protection potion. Ooh, have a look at this. dilute before use on skin. Basil, bergamot, geranium. Oh my god, I think this is going to smell amazing. Oh, it does. That smells lovely. I really like that. We'll see what it says about that. A powerful blend for anointing your spell candles and altar tools or adding protection to spell written rituals. 100% pure basil oil, bergamot and geranium. Always use a suitable carrier oil if applying to the skin. Oh, I think this is a stirrer. Oh, I love it. Everything's hand wrapped as well, which I always really love. Not that I can undo it. Get out. Oh, I love it. And it says potions on that bit, and then it's a little stirry doodad. Ooh, what this is. Oh, it's a potions mat. Just dropping everything. That's really lovely. You could use that as an altar cloth as well if you wanted to. This is weird filming in here with the cat attacking everything. What did it say about that? Our specially designed potion stirring stick is just what you need to blend your potion. Clockwise to attract, counterbalance to banish. Preparation mat, prepare your spells or rituals and protect the altar with our enchanting mat. Chippy! Just bit my foot. I'm going to grab you in a minute and make you say hello to everyone. We've got grey aventurine chips here. And a little... Is it grey or green? No, it says grey. I've never seen grey aventurine before. I've only got green. Let's see what it says about you. You get a little leaflet with all of them. So it says grey aventurine chips. Grey aventurine is a positive, uplifting stone which helps to promote inner peace, harmony, compassion and communication. Add these crystal chips to spell jars, charm bags. Oh, they're pretty. Try and get a big one to show you. They've got like a slight greeny tinge to them. Very pretty. You get so much stuff in these. Oh, I think this is a spell bottle. I love spell jars. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I absolutely love that. And even the bag has got it on it. Just the little touches. I just think I'll be very, very sad not to have this anymore because I do bloody love this box. Green glass potion bottle. What's better than a beautiful potion bottle? Two beautiful potion bottles. This one's a stunning emerald green. There's a black one. There's a black one. Get out. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, I love them. They're so nice. Like, I know these aren't for everybody, and like I always say in these kind of videos, this isn't for everyone, but this is kind of just, I really love this stuff. So it makes me happy. I think that was I just heard you jump up. Where are you? Chippy. No, we're not fighting. Apparently we are fighting. Yeah, I think that was a perfect box. I absolutely loved it. As soon as I can afford this again, I will get it again because I love it so much. Let me know what you think. I'm going to try and grab the cat to introduce you. Chip and Linda. What's this? Chippy. What's this? What's this? I gotcha. I gotcha. Chippy. Oh! I hear you purring. I hear you purring. Little lady. Go away. Go play. Go play, little baby. Go play, little baby. Go get it. Yeah. Let me know what you think. thank you so much for watching these videos. It really, really does mean a lot because this is my favourite kind of video to film. So yeah, thanks so much and I love you, bye.